Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixTech. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to restart the console on your Xbox Series X, and this is very easy to do. You can access this menu two different ways. So the first way, we need to go to our profile here. So you can press the Xbox button on your controller. Otherwise you can just go to it on the home screen here, but we want to go all the way over to your profile. Then go on down, and here are the power options. Select this, and we're brought to the same screen where we can turn off our Xbox Series X, turn off the controller, or restart the console right here. So that's how you can do it that way. The other way is a little bit simpler. Just hold on down the Xbox button for like 2 seconds on your controller. 1, 2, so maybe 1 second. It'll bring you back to the same screen where you can restart your Xbox Series X. So let's press A on this right now. Let's see what happens. Restart your Xbox. Let's go on over to restart. Boom, I heard the beep, and it is now restarted. So hopefully this quick little video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel down below for more tech reviews coming up next on YourSixTech.